All right, team. One of the final steps to my overseed process is what we're going to use to encourage the seed to root and to grow. I use this particular starter fertilizer as my first app this spring when I was doing a phosphorus adjustment. And you can't apply phosphorus again if you have a seeding project going. Phosphorus is tremendous for root growth. This is a 12-12-12, as you guys can see here on the bag. It's a Yard Mastery Sunnyland mix. There are links if you're interested. But honestly, any kind of overseeding project, you can surely go to your big box store, get yourself a reputable starter fertilizer, and you want to apply it. I will be applying this at the recommended application rate, which is 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. This is a 45-pound bag, so I will have extra. So I'll probably spread some more in a couple weeks just to use it up so I don't have to store it over the winter. Again, as far as nutrients for the new grass, as you can see, I'm actually a week out. It's actually growing faster than I thought. Now, obviously, the KBG seedlings haven't taken root yet, but I'm continuing my water regimen. I'm getting my fert down today, and I will be following up with some biostims, which will probably be some kelp, some root growth stimulant, and maybe like an aeration product that I'll be applying to the lawn. You guys can subscribe to the channel. There'll be future videos on that. I'm gonna open this bag up and let you see what it looks like, just so you're familiar with the prill size and the composition of this particular product. But like I said, you can go and get any kind of starter fertilizer you want. There you go. Yard Mastery 12-12-12 starter. As you can see, it's a blend of different granules and colors. One thing I didn't just mention a minute ago is this is also spiked with what they're trademarking as Bionite. It's similar to Milo. It's some of the biosolids products from wastewater treatment. So that's good for your soil microbes. All right, let's get out there and get it spread. 12-12-12 starter fert is down. I have my initial nutrients on the lawn with my seed. I'm not cutting it this week. It's already 1 week post-seeding. Next week, I don't know if usually I like to try to go 3 weeks. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go 3 weeks. But we'll see what happens. Depends on the rain, and I am watering 3 times a day, 5 minutes per zone. So I'm keeping it moist. Get out there, get it done. Let me know what you guys would do differently. This is kind of the same process I did last year. So the complete steps, we've gone through them. They're listed in the show notes also. If you're interested in any of the stuff I use, that's in there. Like I said, you can get really good seed at your big box store, or you can get starter fertilizer, you know, stuff like that, or you can use what I use. It's totally up to you. As always, like the video, let me know that you watched it. Subscribe to the channel. I'm telling you, as the temperatures are cooling down, it's 75 degrees here today in New Jersey. As the temperatures cool down and fall approaches, this lawn is going to turn dark green. I also have a special surprise for Halloween coming. Something I'm going to do to the lawn that I hope is going to really kick it. Maybe even something better than a double dark. I'm going to try it this year. It's a new product. You guys have probably seen it. I like to try everything. So I'll see you guys next time on Lawn Journeys.